by. Then it seems that I had seen it in her eyes. Though it might not be wise, I'd still have to try. With all the love I have inside, I can't deny, I just can't let it die. 'Cause her heart's just like mine, and she holds a pain inside. So if you ask me why she wouldn't say goodbye, I know somewhere inside there is a special light still shining bright, and even on the darkest night she can't deny. So if she's somewhere near me, I hope to God she hears me. There's no one else could ever make me feel I'm so alive. I hope she never leave me. Please God, you must believe me. I've searched the universe and found myself within her eyes. No matter how I try to say it's all a lie, so what's the use of my confessions to a crime? The passions that won't die in my heart. So if she's somewhere near me, I hope to God she hears me. There's no one else could ever make me feel I'm so alive. I hope she never leave me. Please God, you must believe me. I've searched the universe and found myself within her eyes. Don't know why she wouldn't say goodbye. It just might be that I had seen it in her eyes, and now it seems that I